Okay, I'm gonna make you guess where Totoro is real quick. You can hear her probably. She flew off my shoulder somewhere up high and just started doing that. Which she does. But I looked over here. And I looked up there. No Totoro. I looked over there. No Totoro. Looked on the floor even though I knew she was up high. Looked over on the scooty over there. No Totoro. Looked up at the telephone booth. No Totoro. That is the first time she's ever gone up there, and she's happily preening my hat. Yeah? Is that a good perch? I don't think Mama likes that, because you might think it's a good nest. Totoro! What are you doing? Hanging out with the wolf pack? The other half of the wolf pack? Yeah? What are you doing? Yeah? What are you doing, silly bird? You being silly? She wants to jump down with the rest of the wolves. Look at her. Wait. Are you trying to reach? Yeah. Uh-huh. Careful not to knock the hat over. Oh, she did it! Sorry if it's shaky. I have to hold my phone up. What are you doing? That is not a nesting area. I don't like this idea. Yeah, you giving them sweet kisses? Hey, Totoro. Oh, great. This is not good. It's cute, but not good. Did Penelope Clearwater say you could use her as a perch or a nest? She did not. No, get off me. Get off me. I'm not a nest. She's moving. What the heck? What the heck? Hello. Are you riding, Penelope? Oh, sorry. Yeah, see, that's a better place to perch. Let's put Penelope back up there. Yeah. Are you being silly? Are you? You little poop. You little poop. Oh. Hello. What are you doing? Okay, where are you going? Okay, I can't film you anymore because I can't see what I'm doing. Oh wait, we can go to the mirror. What are you doing? Great, now she wants to go back up there. Ugh, you're such a pain in the bum. That is not a place for birdies. Okay? You're fine perching over here. You can perch on... No, you don't want to? She usually sits there. No? Okay, come here. Oh, she's running down my back. Come here. Don't fart. What are you doing? Come here. Step up. Yeah. You being a little fart? No? You liar. Yeah. You're so cute. It's hard to say no to that face. Yeah. And you use that, huh? You use your cuteness. Yep. Okay, cutie. It's almost been 5 minutes now, so. Say bye-bye. Yeah, bye, YouTube. Say bye. Yep. Do you love them? Hmm? Do you love them? Okay, whatever. Say bye. Bye. Okay.